here on sailing vessel Victorious with our friend Noel. He caught some triggerfish. Fresh triggerfish. And because we are still learning how to do these things, he's offered to show us how to clean them. Now, do you bleed them right after you catch them?
You know, these things I don't, because they're so white anyway.
Okay.
A couple of them were bleeding because of the hook.
But
I don't make a point of like, oh, you know, bleeding every time.
So your first cut's right behind the eye and along the
right.
top of the fish, and then you're cutting all the way back to the tail here.
Yeah, it's kind of like flaying in reverse.
And then working at
and skin it.
Taking the skin off from the tail forward.
This is like the ones that you see cleaned on the beach, they're all dried up.
Yeah.
That the locals do. This is how I see it too.
Okay.
I try not to keep that white part on there.
So what makes cleaning these a little different than another fish?
Well, their skin's really tough. I mean, it's tough.
Okay.
It's almost like shark skin or something. And, you know, normal fish, you just, you know, you cut in it, slice it off the bone, and then flip it over and cut the skin off, and you're done.
From the pectoral fins to the back.
Yeah.
What do you use to sharpen your knife there? Do you have a stone or some other?
No, I use like a white plastic with a blue handle and two little cutters that are, I don't know what they're made out of. They're carbon something or other.
Okay.
I've been using those. Also, I've been using for years, probably on everything. You're not going to get any really off the belly.
Okay. Well, that's a pretty big stack of guts there.
Yeah.
And now you're cutting into...
Now you almost just like basically fillet it. Like a normal fish, kind of sort of.
So you're cutting to the spine right now.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you got to get through that center line of bones. So there's that stomach. We just cut that off.
And that you're cutting off is part of the
That was just
lining?
like, yeah, and it had bones in it.
Oh, okay.
And that was part of like the dorsal or pectoral fin or whatever.
And there's a nice fillet.
Yeah. Soaking and washing in salt water.
Okay.
And that's the triggerfish.
Just the same on the reverse.